Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Recently I made a video about 3 legit Captcha typing job websites. I will leave you a link in description, and you asked me can I find more websites, and I did the research and found 2 more legit Captcha typing job websites, and second on the list is the better, so make sure to watch the entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First Captcha typing job website is called ProTypers. As you can see, they are using exactly the same simple layout and they use exactly the same database like Mega Typers. And here you can see this website is good for stay-at-home moms, parents who need second jobs, students, and people between jobs. And here you can see that you can make from $100 to $250 per month with this website. And here you can see they are paying from 45 cents to $1.50 per 1,000 captchas. And here you can see payments are made through debit card, bank check, PayPal Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. And to sign up, simply click here on sign up. And as you can see, sign up page is very similar to Mega Typers. You need to add your email, your password, your name, you need to choose your payment processor. I will choose PayPal. And as you can see, minimum withdrawal is $3, which means you need to earn at least $3 before you ask for withdrawal. And PayPal fee is between 2 and 10%, and it will be dedicated from your account. You need to add your PayPal email, you need to confirm that you will not use any third-party software, and you need to click here I'm not robot and click register. After you click register, they will send you confirmation email. And after you confirm your email, you will come to your dashboard, and as you can see, it's exactly the same like Mega Typers. You can see latest contests, 200 most accurate typers, you can see latest statistics, payout rates, and your success rate. And when you scroll here, and here you can set up your payments option. Just click here on profile and payments and set up your payments. And to start working, simply click here on start working. And here you will see Captcha that you need to type. So this is second Captcha typing job website on the list. First website on the list is Quality Bablo. This is one of the oldest Captcha typing job websites on the internet, but I have to warn you that they have really strict rules. And if you break the rules, they will ban you. And when you scroll here, you can see stability, they are found in 2007, accuracy, liquidity, and instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems or send to another account, which means you don't have to withdraw your money, you can actually send it to somebody else. And when you scroll here, you can see some reviews, and to start, simply click here on start working. And to sign up, simply add your username and your email, and on your email they will send you your password that you should use to log in. And to log in, click here on login. After you log in, you will come to your dashboard, and here you can see you can work via web, via app, you can send money, track stats, referrals, and more jobs. And here you can see how much they pay for different kind of captcha. As you can see, reCAPTCHA is currently bid $1.10. Image captcha solving is 30 cents. Fun Captcha, $1.90. G-Test Captcha and H Captcha is $1.40. And for some reason, this website have their menu bar here on the right side, when most of the websites has menu bar in left side. So when you click here on settings, you can set up your profile and your account. And to ask your withdrawal, to ask your money, click here on finance, and you can actually ask for withdrawal. Now, you must do at least 500 captchas in order to ask for a withdrawal. And as you saw, withdrawal are instantly, so you will get your money instantly, so you don't have to wait anything. And to start working, simply click here on start working. And here you can see time, and here you can see image that you need to, and here you can see captcha that you need to type. And here you can see some captchas, loyalty, accuracy, and stuff like that. And that is how you do Captcha job on Quality Bablo. So these are 2 Captcha typing job websites for today. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.